कुछ नहीं करते हमारे लिए।
Very true. My very first dream was to be a teacher. When I was in preschool, I used to imitate teachers' actions, such as drawing on the board with a chalk, telling stories, and also giving punishments.
Haha. Well, when I was a kid, my biggest desire was to be an astronaut like Neil Armstrong. Well, and maybe that's the main reason behind my love for science.
So, do you plan to opt for science stream after 10th?
Science is for sure, but I'm not entirely sure whether I should opt for ISR or go to ISRO. Well, tell me more about your plans.
I haven't planned anything as such, but art stream is for sure. And maybe after 12th, I'll do MA in music.
Good choice. Since we're talking about music, good choice. Since we're talking about music, have you heard about the term sound engineering?
Eh, wait a second. I've come across this word. Oh, yes. I've heard this word in the career counseling sessions in our school.
बाय द वे ॲप्टिट्यूड टेस्टमध्ये IQ काय आला का तुझा?
तुझ्यापेक्षा नक्कीच जास्त आलं. Anyway, getting back to our point, sound engineering is something different, something unique.
And it's not only sound engineering. There are thousands of different streams which are so unique and different from the typical ones which are existing right now. And I am so lucky that I can opt for any one of them.
Yes, there's no specific time to make choices, but you must choose the right option which will make you live your life to the fullest.
There are some extraordinary people who have not taken choices at a specific time, but those choices have turned their lives into success stories.
So let's listen to these success stories in our upcoming segment, Oddwata.
Hello, students and respected teachers. I am Rashmi Bhatt and I passed out of KHS almost 11 years ago. That was in 2009. So, I am currently working as a food scientist at Nature Essential Foods Private Limited. So, food scientists are basically those people who develop healthy, convenient, and safe food for regular consumption. So, they are the ones who mass produce all your food, right? So, how did I end up, being a food scientist? Is that during my graduation, I went for an extensive bakery course, and that is when I realized I wanted to know more about how food gets baked, how is it cooked, what is the science behind it, and yeah, that is how I ended up with a master's degree in food science and nutrition. So, all your packaged foods, right from your milk to your, chocolate, your cakes, your biscuits, your anything that ready to eat meals, anything that comes in a packaged form, food scientists are involved in making them, right from its production to its research and development to quality assurance, making sure that all the food that you get is safe. Thank you. If you want to know anything more about it, you can always drop me an email. I'll drop my details with Disha. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pranav Wagre. I am an ex-student of KHS and I passed my 10th standard in 2011. I am a professional basketball player. I played basketball professionally in India and now I am playing basketball professionally here in Spain. I am also doing my master's, that is MBA in sports management here in Spain. I started playing basketball when I was 8 years old, and now it has been 17 years that I am playing basketball. And I did my sports management bachelor's course in Pune in an institute called ISST, and now I'm currently doing my master's here in EU Business School in Barcelona, Spain. And I've been playing for the Maharashtra state team since 2007, and I've played at least like 11 to 12 national tournaments for the Maharashtra team, and the professional league in India, that was UBA Pro League. I also used to play for Pune Peshwas as a shooting guard in India's UBA Pro League. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ankita Mane, an alumni of the school. I'm a lawyer by profession and a baker by passion. I quit my job 2 years ago to pursue my passion for baking. Many discouraging words came my way. Things like I wouldn't be able to do it because I don't have a business background, or I might have ruined somebody else's seat for law. Things like these really discouraged me, but then I followed my heart, and here I am managing two fields professionally. So you should always follow your heart because it never lies, and you should always trust it. Thank you.
These stories have set a fire of ambition in my soul. Sia, oye Sia,
Oh, yes, I'm there. I'm very much there.
doesn't seem so.
मी कुठे पळून चाललीये? I was so engrossed in listening to their stories that I forgot about the show.
इतने में ही मन मर गया. अरे there is more coming up.
What is it?
Don't you remember? There is a song coming up. So we move on to our next segment, एक सांस एक आवाज, with our singers Disha and Aditi.
बोलो बोलो दरवाजे पर देखो रो किनारे खुद से बंदी है हवा मिलके छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है छम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है वही क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू
That was such a wonderful song.
Yes, wonderful it was. Hey Nisarga, have you ever thought about this?
About what?
We expanding our social base.
म्हणजे you wanna have official bus KHS 26.6 Insta, Twitter and Facebook handles.
Yeah, why not?
You know, it's a debatable topic, but personally I don't think it's a good idea.
It's just the dark side of social media. Why don't you see the bright side? We can interact so very well with our audience, and most of them are on social media.
But let's just keep the audience part aside. The social media is the biggest platforms for cyber crimes. And तुला माहित नाही आहे का?
If a person is social media addict, then he'll put the information and flaunt himself. But on the other hand, if a person uses social media to convey so very good messages through artwork, isn't that good?
Yeah, I agree, but as I said before, a debatable topic.
Since we're talking about social media, it reminds me of the movie Social Dilemma on Netflix. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have, but Thamna yaar, we have the perfect person to tell us more about this film.
So we move on to our next segment, movie review by Sanvi Khurate.
Social Dilemma is a movie that revolves around the perils of social media. This documentary has interviews with former key leaders who played pivotal roles in building these services for these social media organizations as the main plot, spruced with a short dramatization to draw home the point that is being stressed through the interviews. The fact that social media can be addictive and creepy isn't a revelation to anyone who uses Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the likes. But in this Jeff Orlovsky's documentary, the interviewers explain that the unhealthy and addictive nature of social networking platforms is a feature and not a bug. They claim that all these features were introduced with good and positive intent but are saddened to see the current abuse of all these features in creating polarization, fake news propaganda, building negativity in the society, bullying, etc. They further claim that manipulation of human behavior for profit is coded into these companies with immense precision. Personalized recommendations use data not only to predict but to also influence their actions, turning users into easy prey for advertisers and propagandists. To quote from the documentary, if you are not paying for the product, then you are the product. The revelations of these insiders are terrifying, but despite their vehement criticism, the interviewees in the Social Dilemma are not all doomsayers. Many suggest that with the right changes, we can salvage the good of social media without the bad. The movie helps us to understand the role of artificial intelligence in today's society, how we can work better towards protecting our privacy, and leverage social media more as a tool and not get driven by it. It is definitely a wake-up call for our generation that is so much indulged into Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. I strongly recommend all to make time in your schedule and watch this insider view on social media. I'm sure you would get into a social dilemma of to be or not to be on social media. If I were to rate it, I would give it 3.5 stars out of 5. Thank you.
Whoa, how disturbing. I'm never gonna open an Instagram account now that I know about this.
You're all mouth. Next week you'll show me how many followers you have. But really, that was eye-opening. The way social media takes over our lives is really disturbing.
Social media is an excellent platform to share ideas and videos and also to connect with people.
But we should be aware of how users can access our data and potentially mislead us.
And always be aware of how to react to social media platforms, contents, and ads.
By the way, did you see my status update on 2nd October?
No, your status updates are always kiddish. All you talk is technology and mobile phones.
This day was special.
Every day is different.
My birthday.
Oh, belated happy birthday.
Thank you. But the reason we can celebrate birthdays, watch online movies, and fight over who will win IPL is thanks to the effort and struggles made by our freedom fighters.
And 2nd October is a very special day. It is the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi.
Two great individuals who did their best for India's freedom.
Lal Bahadur Shastri, former Prime Minister and political activist for India's political emancipation.
And Mahatma Gandhi, one of the founding fathers of the national movement and a strong figure in the non-cooperation and civil disobedience movements.
As a tribute to these immortal men, we narrate to you two short stories in our next segment, Down Memory Lane. Austerity begins at home. When Shastriji was serving as the Home Minister, his sons were studying at St. Columba School in New Delhi and would commute to school by a Tonga horse carriage. They once complained to their father that despite being children of Home Minister, they commuted by Tonga while other children came by car. Shastriji told them that they would get this facility of drop by a car as long as he was the Home Minister, and it would perhaps be worse to switch back to the Tonga. The children realized the significance of their father's philosophy and decided to stick with the horse carriage.
This is one of Gandhiji's short anecdotes which tells us that no sacrifice, however small, is never wasted. Gandhiji went from town to town, village to village, collecting funds for the Charkha Sangha. During one of his tours, he addressed a meeting in Odisha. After his speech, a poor old woman got up. She was bent with age, her hair was grey, and her clothes were in tatters. The volunteers tried to stop her, but she struggled her way towards Gandhiji. I must see him, she insisted, and going up to Gandhiji, touched his feet. Then from the folds of her sari, she brought out a small copper coin and placed it at his feet. Gandhiji took the coin and kept it carefully. The Charkha Sangha funds were under the charge of Jamnalal Bajaj. He asked Gandhiji for the coin, but he refused. I keep checks worth thousands of rupees for the Charkha Sangha, he said laughingly. But yet, you won't trust me with a single copper coin? He asked. Gandhiji said, this copper coin is worth more than 1,000 rupees. If a man has several lakhs and he gives away 1,000, it does not mean much. But this copper coin was perhaps all that the poor woman possessed. She gave away everything she had. What a great sacrifice she made. That was so generous of her. That is why I value this coin more than 1,000 rupees. So inspiring. Both these men are none the less than ideals for all of our generations.
Absolutely agree. Their teachings shall never fade away. On this very positive note, let us move on to our very last segment.
Ek Saas Ek Awaaz with singers Mahika and Sara.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे तूने हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे अंत पैरे लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालन का पे थर 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 कर सुनकर उनका नाम है कड़था उनका छोटा सा और सरकट उनकी चाल रे पुतले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के मंदिर में खादम मंदिर मातरम मंदिर में खादम मंदिर मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम झूठा बढ़ता जाए आज ओ बापू अपने आज हमें अपनों से बचाए आजा रे बापू वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वन्दे मातरम्.
After this grand presentation,
ओए सिया
आम्ही आहोत का इथे.
This is RJ Kaivalya.
This is RJ Nisarg.
and this is RJ Sia.
Signing off from the last show of our season.
बस KHS 26.
जमाना हमसे है, माहौल हम बनाते हैं.
No pandemic could demotivate the high spirits of our most popular show.
When the entire world was tense, we were here to entertain our KHS kiddos.
A very big thank you to our technical team members Reva and Varal who spared their precious time, all RJs, singers, comedians, reviewers, Principal Pallavi Naik ma'am, Munawar ma'am and Shraddha ma'am.
And last but not the least, a big thank you to all of our audience who made this show into a great success.
Stay home, stay safe, happy and positive.